Shweta, let me talk to you about what we are seeing as far as the private equity mood is concerned. And the mood has been buoyant over the last few years, including for Advent specifically. You're looking to utilize another $5 to $10 billion of your capital in India over the next few years. Your bull case for India?
So I believe India is not a story of 1 year or 2 years. I think it's a multi-decade growth story from here on, right? I think it'll be a pity if we don't capitalize on it, because we literally have, all flags are green at this point in time. So if you look at some things that both Ramesh and Ashish spoke about, right, our demographic profile, right, we have the largest probably working population of 900 million across any geography across the globe, right? And that just lends itself to a large consumption story for India. So that is, I would say, one big positive. Government capex cycle, I think, is going to propel the economy a lot in terms of growth. And lastly, the one thing that we didn't talk about so far was just the whole policy framework in India, right? And that has been so supportive, starting with reducing the corporate tax rate a few years back, or the bankruptcy law, GST. All of these is just providing the inherent infrastructure, underlying infrastructure for corporate India to really outperform the growth we are seeing anywhere else in the world, right? So for us and private equity, as you can see, everybody is really bullish on India, like Advent and like my global folks said, about $5 to $10 million a month back. I think last year the private equity investment in India was $40 billion.
Yeah.
It did peak in 21 at 70 billion. And I do see that peak coming back sooner than later, just given the whole buoyancy around India that we are seeing. Anywhere I go in the globe and meet our investors, meet our general partners, everybody's just talking about India rising and
What's
India
the number one question that they ask you?
How much can you invest in India?
How much can we invest in India, and where do we put that money to work?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.